Are you planning a home improvement project? Sadly, we've all heard horror stories about crooked contractors who leave a client's home in shambles or run away with their money. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to minimize these risks and maximize the success of your project. I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County, and today we're going to share 7 mistakes to avoid when hiring a contractor. But first, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for Susquehanna Valley Real Estate News and Advice. Now, let's dive in. Here in the Susquehanna Valley, the most common mistake we see our clients make is choosing a contractor based solely on price. When selecting a contractor, it's crucial not to rush into choosing the lowest bid, as it can lead to poor quality, hidden costs, and other issues. Instead, focus on overall value by considering factors like experience, reputation, and the quality of work, ensuring you invest in a reputable contractor to avoid future problems. But that's not the only mistake you should avoid when hiring a contractor. Here are 6 other common missteps. 1. Skipping the research phase. To ensure a successful renovation, homeowners should take the time to educate themselves on best practices and interview multiple contractors to compare their expertise, pricing, and approaches. Rushing into hiring without proper research can lead to overpaying or settling for subpar work. So it's crucial to ask specific questions and seek referrals from trusted sources. 2. Neglecting to confirm credentials and insurance. Building trust with a contractor is important, but neglecting to verify their licensing, insurance, and references can lead to serious risks, including safety violations, poor workmanship, and financial liability. To avoid these issues, always verify credentials, read reviews, check references, and if possible, visit a job site to assess their work firsthand. 3. Proceeding without a written agreement. A handshake deal may seem simple, but can lead to misunderstandings and legal issues, making verbal agreements hard to enforce. Instead, always insist on a written contract, thoroughly understand the terms before signing, and keep detailed documentation of payments and changes throughout the project. Number 4, paying too much up front. Paying a large sum up front for a project can leave you vulnerable if the contractor fails to complete the work. So it's crucial to limit deposits to 10 to 33% and tie remaining payments to project milestones. Protect yourself. Avoid contractors demanding large upfront payments. Establish a payment schedule linked to milestones and only pay in full once the project is satisfactorily completed and inspected. 5. Failing to get necessary permits. Skipping the permit process can lead to serious consequences such as fines, legal action, and issues with insurance coverage, while also compromising the safety and resale value of your home. To avoid these risks, discuss permits and HOA requirements with your contractor. Include them in your contract. Ensure inspections are completed and keep thorough records of all documentation. Finally, ignoring red flags after the project has started. If issues arise with a contractor mid-project, it's important to take immediate, informed action to protect your investment. Review your contract, document problems, communicate professionally, and if necessary, seek legal advice or contact relevant authorities to resolve the situation effectively. If you're planning a home improvement project, we can help. First, check out our blog post. There's a link in the caption. Then reach out for a list of recommended contractors. We're also happy to provide feedback on your project and how it could impact your home's value and resale potential. Thanks for watching, and let us know how we can help you with your upcoming project.